बालाजी
Tomorrow morning, 6:23 a.m., ISRO is going to launch the second satellite, NAVIC satellite, NVS-02, using the GSLV Mark II F-15 vehicle. And this is the first launch in 2025. Also, it marks a great historical accomplishment for ISRO. This will be the 100th launch from Sriharikota. The first launch was SLV-3E1 rocket in the year 1979. And till now, we have developed 6 generations of launch vehicle, and this is going to be a historical mission. The team ISRO, along with the industrial partners and academia, we have done the work. A perfect job is done with the systematic hard work and smart work of team ISRO and the blessing of Almighty God. I feel it will be a 100% perfect successful mission.